Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to limit rows in Google Sheets. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. While there is no feature to directly limit rows in Google Sheets, there are several ways we can apply to achieve this goal. The first way is to hide all the unnecessary rows. We have thousands of rows in the table, but for example we need 15. Further, in order not to select all the rows to the very bottom of the sheet manually, this can also take a long time, we select row number 16, just click on its number and then press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow. And as you can see, all the rows are highlighted to the very end of the sheet, which is very convenient. Now we call the properties with the right mouse button and select hide all selected rows. This method is convenient because we can always return the hidden rows by clicking on this arrow in the corner of the 15th row. Or we can do something more radical, that is, simply delete these unnecessary rows. If the rows are already selected, right-click and delete them. Just remember that if you have data in these rows, they will also be deleted. Don't forget about it. And the third way is to use a filter. Select some column with data, for example C, go to the Data tab and click Create a filter. Two parallel lines and this icon means that the filter was created in this column. Click on this icon, next remove the check mark from the blanks field and click OK. And we only have rows of data left. Great. This method is convenient because it also hides empty rows between data rows. Let's add some empty rows and let's filter it out again. Everything turned out great. Now we know a little more. Thanks for watching.